In the heart of a solar-punk metropolis, where concrete yields to chlorophyll, Neri Oxman's Mycelium Powered Solar Tower stands as a manifesto of engineered ecology. Form takes cue from fungal networks, a tapered, lattice-like shell composed of concentric rings of cultivated mycelium, each ring thickening toward the base to shoulder structural loads. The facade is perforated with hexagonal pores that double as light-guiding lenses, allowing sunrays to cascade through the living skin like a stained-glass cathedral of spores. The tower rises 120 meters, its silhouette echoing the organic whirls of a seashell, while the interior core, a skeletal steel spine, provides the necessary rigidity for seismic zones. Function embraces a triple feedback loop. First, embedded phototrophic algae within the mycelial matrix harvest solar photons, converting them into electrical energy that feeds the building's grid. Second, the fungal substrate acts as a self-repairing insulator. When cracks appear, the mycelium grows new hyphae, sealing gaps without human intervention. Third, the tower's outer skin acts as a biofilter, scrubbing airborne particulates and carbon dioxide, then releasing oxygen back into the urban canopy. Integrated IoT sensors monitor humidity, temperature, and growth rates, adjusting nutrient delivery through a drip irrigation system that pulls reclaimed rainwater from an adjacent green plaza. Aesthetically, the tower is a living sculpture. Its muted earthen tones shift through seasons, amber in autumn, deep green in summer, mirroring the city's own phenology. Light refracted through the porous skin creates a soft, pulsing glow after dusk, reminiscent of bioluminescent fungi, casting organic patterns onto surrounding streets. The design blurs the line between architecture and organism, offering a tangible vision of a future where technology does not dominate nature but is, instead, cultivated from it. Oxman's proposal, though unbuilt, redefines skyscraper archetypes, not steel skeletons encasing glass, but symbiotic ecosystems that grow, breathe, and feed the city that shelters them.